All right, so now we have looked at doing calculations with mass using molar mass. We've looked at calculations using volume using molarity, or breaking that into the two-part unit, moles per 1,000 milliliters. Now we're going to look at the fancy problems. In the fancy problems, we combine multiple kinds of units. So let's look at an example. How many grams of silver bromide can be made from, this should say excess, not Excel, excess silver nitrate reacting with 37.5 milliliters of 0.1 molar aluminum bromide? So, I know when I read this that I have the aluminum bromide is 0.1 molar, and I have 37.5 milliliters. Since I have molarity and volume of aluminum bromide, I don't need the molar mass of aluminum bromide because I'm going to use the molarity as a conversion factor. But I want my answer in grams of silver bromide. Because I want grams of silver bromide, it means that I'm going to need the molar mass for silver bromide. So I can calculate that off to the side before I start. 187.774 grams per mole. So now I've looked at this and I say, okay, I have the two conversion factors I'm going to need. Now I want to balance my equation. So I start with my most complicated formula, and that's the aluminum nitrate. And I have 3 nitrates and only 1 here, so I'll start with a 3. Now I have 3 silvers, so putting 3 silvers, I have 3 bromine, and I have 3 bromine here, 1 aluminum, so now I'm balanced. So now I want my answer in grams of silver bromide. So I'll start with the molar mass. 187.774 grams of silver bromide is 1 mole of silver bromide. Now, the next thing I do, historically, with all the problems we've done before, is go to my mole-to-mole ratio. I'm comparing silver bromide to aluminum bromide. So I look at this, and I have 3 moles